It's my pizza, kitty cat. When I sat down with my pizza, these two swarmed immediately. Might let you lick the plate, but that's about it.
So here I am, trying to eat my dinner. And these are my competition, vying for my food. They try to get as close as they can without actually touching it, thinking that's okay, and thinking that they can also sort of experience the food the closer they are to it. So this one sometimes will stretch out that paw to touch the food, that way experiencing food. This one does the same. Maybe taught the other one. This one's a little bit older.